Hey and welcome to this video. My name is Johannes and I will show you how to withdraw from Binance. So the first thing we have to do if you actually have crypto on Binance is to actually convert the cryptocurrency into fiat money. So in this case, you can see I have euro right here, but it might be US dollars, it might be some other, fiat currency. So I will just show you how to convert your cryptocurrency into fiat, and then I will show you how to withdraw the fiat money to your bank account. So the first thing to look for is your crypto balance. And by the way, I'm logged in on Binance and I'm in wallet, fiat and spot right here. So you can go there first and look for crypto balance and whatever cryptocurrency you want to, withdraw or convert into fiat currency. It's up to you. You can see right here, I will use Bitcoin as an example right now. So just look on the row of the cryptocurrency you want to convert and withdraw and click on convert. You can see on Bitcoin convert right here, and it will take you to the convert and OTC portal. You can see trade Bitcoin, BNB, yada yada, and you will see from, and in this case it's on USDT and to Bitcoin. And I will just change this so you can see I will just use Bitcoin right here, and you will, in the to section, you will have to choose the fiat currency that you want to convert it into so you can withdraw it. So in this case, I'll just search for euro, and you can see right here, EUR. So I will just click on this, and you can see right now it's from Bitcoin to euro. And the last thing to do when you want to convert is to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to convert into fiat. So you can just type, you can see 0.25 is the least amount in this case, so I will just type that. I don't have available funds for it right now, but yeah, I will just show you how this works so you can do it. It doesn't really matter. So you can see 2 euro, and we will click on preview conversion. In this case, you will see the price of 1 Bitcoin, and you will see how much euro you will get for this, converting thingy. So you will receive 9,741 euro, and obviously I have insufficient balance, but let's just play with the fact or with the thought that I'm actually converting this and I will receive 9,000 euros approximately. You will just have to click on refresh or convert or whatever this button says, and it might take a couple of minutes or 30 minutes or whatever to actually convert the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency into the fiat balance of your choice, but you'll just have to wait patiently, and then we will go back to the wallet and fiat and spot once again where we started. And what will happen now is you will see the fiat balance change after the Bitcoin or cryptocurrency has been converted into it. So in this case, you can just look for the fiat balance and euro in this case, as I'm using as an example. And obviously I'm hiding my balance right now, but obviously you would see 9,700 euro right here after I had converted my Bitcoin into euro. If we stick with the example there. And the next step and the last step, if you want to withdraw the funds to your bank account, is to just look for the fiat currency, in this case euro, and you click on withdraw in the same row as the fiat currency. And then it will give you a couple of different alternatives depending on what fiat currency you're using. So euro has have a couple of different alternatives. You can see bank transfer, and you can just enter the amount and just go through the process, and should be pretty simple. You can also choose bank card. They just allow Visa right now. They might add MasterCard, I don't know, but if you have a Visa bank card, that might be a simple and easy step to take if you want to withdraw your money. So the same thing applies here. You just enter the amount, and you will in this field select your card if you already have one, or you can add your bank card that you want to withdraw to. So that's basically it. I won't take you through, you know, the other steps right here. You will just select the method right here on the fiat, the currency you have, and either bank transfer or a bank card, or the other payments. I'm not sure what they are. They should probably be completely fine as well. And you will just have to click on continue and continue with the withdrawal process, and that should basically be it. And I hope this made things a lot clearer so you can actually withdraw funds. I have a video about how to transfer your cryptocurrencies as well from Binance to Coinbase and vice versa, if you would like to transfer your money to another exchange and know how that works. I will also leave you with a couple of links if you're interested in learning more about cryptocurrency. And I also suggest and recommend you to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you actually enjoy cryptocurrency tutorials and want to see more of them, as I will, you know, try to create more tutorials like these and clear things up if you're confused with the cryptocurrency exchanges and markets and stuff like that. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around.